My brother, enter camera. As you can see that man up there, I won't use him as a scapegoat for my shrine. This man steal my wife away, steal my girlfriend away, give my wife belle, give my girlfriend belle, constantly give my daughter belle. Waiting, I go do this man. Which animal I go turn into? Make I turn into goat, I be cow, I be cat. Which one? Comment. Drop the comments. Anyone where you want make I turn and see me face, see him face. Which one you go resemble? My brother, show your face. Which animal you go resemble?
Like na monkey.
Na monkey.